Hey there, Sujin Vlog viewers. Welcome back to our channel. What are we going to see today? The daily from Hallam to Dandenong. Sightseeing around Dandenong along it. Okay, let's go and take a look. We are going by train.
Head northeast towards Lonsdale Street Service Road, then turn left onto Lonsdale Street Service Road. Use the right 2 lanes to turn right onto South Gippsland Highway.
We got down at Dandenong railway station. Parking lot. There were a lot of Indian shops here. Shops found there. The video has ended. Thanks you for watching, people.